Hi dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all here in your own platform that is resultant guys. Many of the students after the gate result wants to know what are the options available for their respective gate score. Can I get IIT? Can I get NIT? What branch can I opt for? What are the best chances in my score? For all those answers, for all the civil engineers out there, I'm taking this session guys. Audio video is super fine. Before going forward, let me introduce myself. Those who are new in the channel, this resultant channel. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my M.Tech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering. Got All India rank 164 in 2012. You can connect me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Already more than 6,000 students have joined here. Okay, so you can be also a part of family. You can also connect me on WhatsApp 93549 in the night or whenever I will be free. I'll be replying there in the WhatsApp as well. If you want to connect me through mail, this is my mail ID abhinav@resultant.in. Guys, this is my Telegram group. I already told you that more than 6,000 students have joined here. You can also join, and we have started a new initiation here. Every day in the morning we are putting the quiz, and for the same quiz in the evening we are putting the solution for the same quiz. If you want to join resultant guys for 1 year course, we have the courses in Hindi and English both. The price for 1 year course is 14,999. You will be getting live classes. For every subject you will be getting PYQ. For every subject you will be getting workbook which includes MCQ, MSQ and NET. For every subject you will be getting study notes. For every subject you will be getting formula books. So these workbooks, these PYQs, the study notes, formula book, you will be getting in PDF format that you can download for lifetime. You can go for a 2 year course also. The courses are available in English and Hindi both, and live plus recording both batches are there. And one of the best faculty pool across the country will be teaching you, will be helping you to score better in the GATE exam. Okay, so 26 batch, 27 batch in English and Hindi both are available. In pure English also it is available. Guys, if I go, before I tell you the cutoff and everything for M.Tech, let me tell you this was the cutoff for 2025. This you know now, no, don't require to waste so much time of here. Guys, these are some IITs. Let me tell you very precisely. If you want to go in government job preparation, okay, government job preparation, maybe ESC, okay, maybe assistant engineer, maybe anything, then for government job guys, IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee and IIT BHU are the best one. Of course guys, teachers are not teaching you there for ESC, they are teaching M.Tech only, but the ambience, okay, the students near around you, the ambience, the environment will be there. So IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, IIT BHU if you want to go in preparation. But if you want to go for research, you want to be in academics later on, or you want to complete your PhD, after that going into the academics, being a professor or going in a company, anything. If you want to do research na, then IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, where it is, yes, this is IIT Madras, and of course IIT Bangalore are the best one. But if your option is that you want to go for placements, okay, you don't want to go PhD directly after M.Tech, you want placement, then IIT Bangalore, IIT Madras, and where is Bombay, this is IIT Bombay are the best one. Now guys, for which branch you can opt, that already I have taken a complete session here. Please watch that. Let me tell you very briefly that the package, the amount of package, the magnitude of package has nothing to do with the branch. Many students, many civil engineers across the country are thinking that if they are going in structures, the package will be more, the salary will be more. It is nothing like that guys. Might be a student from ocean engineering can be getting a higher package than structural engineering, and we are not talking about a particular case. Might be the average salary of all the students from IIT who are doing ocean engineering may be better than the structural engineers. Okay, so guys, it is nothing to do with magnitude of package, but of course it depends on your interest. And yes, the frequency, the number of jobs are more in structural engineering, particularly in India and Gulf countries. But in Australia, the number of jobs are more in transportation, and the number of jobs are more in Europe for water resource engineering. But if the number of jobs are more in structural engineering, that doesn't also makes sense because the number of seats, the number of structural engineers passing every year is also more. If the number of seats of ocean engineering is less, okay, the number of students are also less, na? So I recommend you, rather than going to structural engineering or construction planning or geotech and transportation, you should go with your interest, and of course, apart from your interest, that what college you are getting. Okay, if you are getting a better college, then of course opt for that as well. Now guys, first of all, let me tell you very briefly, no one will be telling you this across the country. The IITs cutoff is very, very difficult to tell you because most of the IITs are not giving their genuine cutoff. I can give you proof here. What is this cutoff here? What is this cutoff? This is the official cutoff given in the website here. How the cutoff for all the branches can be 600? For OBC it's 600. How this can be whole number? Now many will be telling because for after this cutoff they are calling for the interview. Guys, for most of the branches and most of the IITs from last 3 years there is no interview. Most of the IITs now recruiting the M.Tech seats only on the basis of gate score. Only few IITs in few branches are taking written test or interview. So many will be saying because they have copy paste, control C, control V, and they are telling that this is the cutoff and this is the whole number cutoff because after this they have called for interview. Let me tell you guys reasonably, nobody will be telling you across the country that this is not the genuine cutoff. Because particularly in those IITs where there is no written test in most of the branches, the cutoff cannot be there, yeah? Cannot be like this. Okay, so before going to IIT cutoff, let me tell you the cutoff of NIT is very simple. Official cutoff of NIT. Okay, authentic, of course it is official, then it will be authentic. Official and the authentic cutoff, you can go to CCMT website. Once you go to CCMT website, there, let me play this.
Hello dear students, I am Abhinav Negi, welcome.
See, okay. You go to CCMT website, let me play the video.
Hello dear students, I am Abhinav Negi, welcome you all on resultant. In this session guys, I will be telling you the cutoff of various NIT.
Yeah, you can go to CCMT website here. Okay, once you go to CCMT website, let me tell you from the beginning. Okay, let me tell you from the beginning. Let me go, this is the video guys, it is playing right now, it is the video. Okay, so of course I will be taking a detailed session on this one later on. You will be getting a video particularly for NIT websites. Particularly for NIT admission, I will upload one more video, but let me tell you guys, for NIT now you will be getting a reasonable and official and authentic cutoff. You can go to CCMT website. Okay, once you go to website, then how the portal looks, let me give me 5 seconds. This will be coming very soon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, this is the home page. You go to e-services. Okay, and after the e-services, go to the opening and final score. Now the cutoff of 24, 23, 22, 21 is available there. 2021 CCMT results, 22 CCMT results, 23, 24 all will be available. Let us select 2024. After that you want all round or you want round 1 cutoff, round 2 spot round cutoff, special round cutoff, all are available there. Okay, so you want round 1, you want round 2, you want anything, it is available. For which institute you want, either you want NIT Allahabad, Surathkal, whatever. For which category, ST, Open, General, EWS, everything is available. Suppose I select environment engineering. So now the cutoff will be coming for NIT, whatever I have selected there. I have selected there Allahabad. So Allahabad environment ST cutoff is 247. The best score and the minimum score is also 247. So how this is possible? Might be only one seat in that particular round which I have selected. Only one candidate was selected. So he was the only maximum. He was only the minimum in round 1. For open category, it is 524 and 410. The best rank who was selected in NIT Allahabad is 524 gate score, and the last rank is 410. Similarly, you can take any other college. Let me take Surathkal now. So in Surathkal, this is available in your website as well. In Surathkal, let me select environmental engineering. For all categories, the best gate score for EWS 414 to 409 in round 1. In open category 554 to 487. This is round 1. Similarly, there are spot rounds also. So this is the official, this is the authentic. For all NITs, you need not to go anywhere. You need not to go to any other platform. Even you need not to go to resultant, because the official cutoff is well designed by CCMT. And I hope that in upcoming few years, 2 years or 3 years, the COPE is also giving. The IIT people, the COPE, they should also give this kind of facility to the students so they can judge that at their gate score what are the relevant options available and what should be the best they should be choosing. But unfortunately, that is not available in COPE, that is available in CCMT. So I request on this video to all the COPE people that you should also make this kind of official cutoff, which is very very good. Otherwise they are giving IIT Delhi cutoff randomly, all are wrong. And guys, for what branch you can select now, this is the session I have taken. You better watch this session to get the idea. Okay, so spot round, this NIT is clear, CCMT is clear. Now you all get it, that how you can see the CCMT website or NIT cutoff for round 1, round 2 for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, spot round cutoff, everything is available in the CCMT website. Okay. Any doubt? I will be taking care of your doubts at the end, guys. Okay, just have some patience. At the end of this video, after 10 to 15 minutes, I will be taking care of your doubts as well. Okay. Okay, now NIT is sorted for all NITs, for all categories, for all rounds, round 1, round 2, spot round. The cutoff is available, the official cutoff is available. Now let us come to the IIT part. For IC Bangalore, guys, these are the cutoffs of gate score. This is the last 3 years average. For civil engineering, this is the cutoff for IC Bangalore. Usually what happens in IC Bangalore that in the first semester they are not allotting any specialized branch, geotech, structure, transportation, they are not giving. On the basis of gate score, plus on the basis of your first semester result, first semester marks, they are allotting the result. So some students might not be getting the top ranks, but if they want structures, if they want transportation or whatever branch they want, they are not getting it. In IC gives you opportunity that if you score better in the semester 1 exam, in M.Tech semester 1, then after the M.Tech semester 1, on the basis of your gate score and M.Tech semester, you can get a better branch in ISC. So this is the opportunity which is available in ISC. This is the ISC cutoff of average of last 3 years. Now IIT Delhi, I told you, everyone will be telling you this is absolutely wrong, absolutely rubbish. I don't know how the people are telling this cutoff here, because this cutoff is not possible, particularly for those IITs which are selecting only on the basis of gate score. How the gate score can be this for all branches? Yeah, even in the case of written test and interview, people are telling in other platforms that in written test and interview, you will be getting this. However, for written test and interview also, that after 600 they are calling for all branches, not possible. Okay. So with respect to other IITs and IC, you can see that IIT Delhi and other IITs, the top IITs will be having near about same cutoff. This is the cutoff for IIT Bombay, Geotech cutoff, and this you can take a screenshot later on here. Okay, this you can take the screenshot. Now I will be telling for IIT Bombay 831 gate score for general, for construction technology and management, 764 OBC, 555 for SC, 607 for gate score, EWS 746 for IIT Bombay construction management for average of last year. This will not make sense. This is the cutoff, guys. You can see and relate yourself later on as well. Okay, hello sir, my rank in gate is 130 OBC. May I have chance to select an upcoming recruitment of UB SSB? I am from UP OBC. What is UP SBC? I am not getting it. Is it through gate? If it is through gate and have for your rank, if there are more than 20 to 30 seats, yes, the chances are bright. For IIT, yes, IIT Madras is a good IIT because in their website last year, they have given the official cutoff which looks reasonable. Guys, for IIT Delhi, many students are calling me on Telegram, on WhatsApp. So this is the gate score, I will be called for structural interview. Not possible, yaar. Not possible. This is absolutely rubbish cutoff, whatever mediums, what are the platform they are giving this. And teachers are also, they are getting this cutoff from somewhere and telling the students the same. Not possible, particularly when the selection is not on the basis of written test and interview, only on the basis of gate score. This kind of cutoff is not at all possible. But with other IITs cutoff, these kind of IIT Madras, they have given the reasonable cutoff, which looks reasonable also. Which looks reasonable. You can relate for other IITs also. So this is the cutoff for IIT Madras. Okay, for IIT Roorkee, they have not disclosed, but the cutoff is more around Madras only. The Madras cutoff you can relate with the Roorkee, and little higher cutoff for IIT Delhi, particularly for the reason because most of the students want to go to IIT Delhi, the top rankers, because they want the preparation for ESE. Okay, then chances are there. This is the cutoff for IIT Kanpur. Okay, 760 for gate score, for structural engineering, for transportation. You can see the cutoff now. The highest cutoff is always going for structural engineering because everyone is thinking the structure is best. I already told you how the branch should be selected. That I already told you. I have taken a session also. You can see that. Okay, that there is nothing to do with branch with your magnitude of package. Number of jobs may depend on a particular branch. Transportation also nice cutoff. Infrastructure management is also good, and comparatively water and environment resources has a lesser cutoff. This is for Kharagpur. Usually what happens now, structure and construction planning management has the highest cutoff. Then geotech and transportation. Okay. Then after that water resources and environment. And after that rock and hydraulics and GPS and remote sensing other branches are coming. So like here also the cutoff for structure is the highest. Then after that geotech, transportation, and cutoff for environment and water resources are the least one with these top 5 branches, because these 5 branches are available in all IITs. Might be rock mechanics is not available everywhere. Might be ocean engineering is not available everywhere, but these 5 branches are available in all IITs and NITs. This is the cutoff for IIT Guwahati. Let me tell you, of all the old IITs, IIT Delhi, Bombay, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Chennai, of all the old IITs, IIT Bombay, the lowest cutoff will be going to IIT Guwahati. For B.Tech level, IIT Guwahati is having a decent status. Okay, IIT Guwahati is good, fine, good for B.Tech. But for M.Tech guys, IIT Guwahati doesn't hold that much good placement, that much good studies like other IITs. So for M.Tech point of view, you can consider IIT Guwahati like new IITs. IIT Guwahati is not having that much good status, that much good fame for M.Tech like other IITs like Delhi, Kanpur, BHU, Roorkee, Bombay, Chennai. IIT Guwahati you can think of new IITs level. Okay, this is the cutoff for IIT BHU. Of course, the new IIT BHU having lesser cutoff than Bangalore, Bombay and Delhi. Then this is for IIT Hyderabad. Of course, the new IITs will be having the lesser cutoff. This is IIT Bhubaneswar. Okay, you can take the screenshot later on and see all these cutoff. This is for IIT Dhanbad. This is the average of last few years. I'm not talking that this is the cutoff of any particular year. Low score also, the IITs are option. In IIT Guwahati, there is an interdisciplinary course like Earth Science. Even with less score, the options are available there. In IIT Mandi, because students don't want to go that much far, even with lesser gate score, you can get structural engineering there. IIT Patna. Whenever there is civil engineering related, that means most of the time that particular college is giving you the specialization after the first semester or second semester on the basis of your gate score, gate rank, plus the performance in the first or second semester. Then IIT Palakkad, IIT Bhilai. Then there are some colleges which are recruiting without gate, like Jamia Millia Islamia, JNU, Pondicherry University, Tezpur University. BITS Planning is taking its own exam, BITSET. All these colleges are recruiting other than gate score. Low score NITs are option like NIT Jalandhar. Geotechnical and structure are even in low score you can get. If somebody wants to know, I want to take geotech and structure, I don't want anything else, then these are few options. Even with less rank or less gate score, you can go to these NITs. Now one more thing guys, sir, college I should prefer or branch? In this guys, very simple. If you want to do a private job, I want to make structures, I want to make foundations, I want to make highways, you are very sure that you want to do work in a particular field, in that case go for the branch. When you want a particular field or you want a private job, and that private job you are already predefined that this will be my area of concern. But if you are not sure, if you want preparation, okay, if you don't know that what you will be doing in the future, you are okay with geotech, you are okay with making foundation, you are okay with making bridges, you are okay with making tunnel, okay, then you should prefer college. Only guys, in my way, if you are 50-50 confused go for the college. If you are 50-50 confused between the college and specialization, go for the college. Only those students should go for the specialization when they are very very sure that I want to do work in transportation only. I want to make highways only. Or somebody will be opting for rock engineering when they are very sure I will be making tunnels here. In that particular case, go for a branch. Otherwise, if you are want to do preparation for government job, if you are not very sure, or you want to go for private job but you are okay with any field, then go for the colleges. Okay, so there are some low score NIT options that is available there. Of course, new IITs, IIT Patna, this is the 490 is the lowest score that was selected there. Okay, IIT Palakkad also, guys, you can see even with lesser score the students are selected there. IIT Ropad, okay, IIT Gandhinagar. Okay, there are some interdisciplinary branches. What are interdisciplinary branches? There where civil, mechanical or some other branches are also eligible. Might be in some interdisciplinary branches civil is not eligible. Might be in some interdisciplinary branches computer science is not eligible. Interdisciplinary branches means where in that particular branch like rural development, aerospace, where might be more than 2 or 3 branches are eligible. Might be in a particular interdisciplinary branches civil, mechanical, electronics are eligible. Might be in a particular interdisciplinary branches civil is not eligible but mechanical, electronics are eligible. Okay, so like material science, energy system, operation research, engineering material, data science are these interdisciplinary branches where civil engineering is also eligible for most of the colleges. Okay, and for these interdisciplinary branches, what is the cutoff? It is written like for energy science. Okay, so cutoff for electrical students is different, and for the same branch, for the same college, cutoff for mechanical students are different. Okay, of course you can go for the spot round counseling also. Spot round counseling, I hope you know, when all the counseling are done and only 2 seats or 3 seats are left, then they call that this is a spot round. Whoever will come in that spot in that particular date, suppose 4 students come to that college, physically they come to the college, then suppose there is 1 seat left, then whatever the best rank is available there, they will give the seat to him. That is called the spot round. Nothing online, you have to go offline there. Suppose few students goes offline there for a particular spot round, then whoever has having the best rank, who is physically present there, will get it. I already told Anuj, I have already taken the session for that. Please see that in this YouTube channel only. Okay, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And let me again tell you guys, if you want to join Resultant, the complete faculty team is with us and they will be helping you to score better. Okay, we have the courses in English and Hindi both. We have the pure English courses. Okay, we have the Hindi courses as well. The classes are live plus recording. For 1 year course, the price is 14,999. And for 2 year course, the price is 26,999. EMIs are also available. For any doubt, either connect me in my Telegram group or my mail or my phone number. For any other doubts or the students who are watching this video in the recorded mode, on the comment section, please drop your comment, drop your query. I'll be more than happy to take care of your doubts. Thank you everyone.